What's up, y'all? This is Duane, aka Glamazon 1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today, we are going to give you an in-depth review and demo of the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. This is her new holiday collection palette, and I got it here. So if you guys want to see what it is, how it works, what it looks like, and how to get this bomb look perfect for the holidays, stay tuned. Guys, we are here today discussing Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. This is her new holiday launch. It is 18 shades of awesome. No other than everyone's favorite makeup artist, Pat McGrath. So this palette is $78. It is not way less, but it is less than her usual palette. And I think that's because she went with different packaging. So this packaging is just like the plain cardboard. So just for reference, this is a normal Pat McGrath palette. It is really, really heavy. It's plastic, it's thick, it comes protected, and then there are 10 shades in here. I honestly thought that this palette would be more expensive because there's more shades in it, but I'm assuming that it's because the packaging is a lot less fancy, even though it's still pretty nice. I really like it. It's normal palette packaging. It's just not normal for Pat McGrath. The shadows are definitely smaller in the Mothership Mega than her normal shadows. This is the Divine Rose 2. So that probably plays a role in the price point as well. So there's nothing really that I can say about this Pat McGrath palette that I haven't said in any of my other reviews of her palette. I really, really love her glitter formula. And I feel like there's something to be desired in her mattes only because they blend out darker than they appear in the palette. Once I learned that, I was pretty okay with any other palette that I got from her. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's get into these swatches so that you guys can see how they look on my skin. And then we're gonna get into the demo after that, and I think you're gonna like it. So you guys saw those. I apologize that sometimes I wasn't in frame because I was really paying attention to the swatches on my arm and not looking into the monitor. So I apologize, but you guys have seen the whole swatch once I did the up close, move in front of the camera, Once I did that, you guys saw it. So now we're gonna get into the demo and I'm gonna show you how I got this look here with the Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. So first I'm picking up the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Walnut. I'm gonna use that as my eyeshadow primer and just tap that in with this foundation brush so that it is nice and smooth and it covers my whole lid. Next I'm gonna pick up Venusian Orchid. I'm going to use that as a transition color. I'm just going to put it down on my lid and then blend it out so that there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm picking up Venomous Void and I'm going to use that as a crease color and all over lid color. Then we're going to pick up Smoked Amethyst and I'm just going to put that in the outer third of the eye. And we're not even going to really blend it out. I just want it there so that it can provide some darkness. And then we're going to pick up Dragonfly. We're going to put that all over the lid. We're going to cover up the Smoked Amethyst because it's just going to bring a little bit of depth to that outer corner. And then we're going to put that all over the lid and stop right in the crease. And then pick up the brush that we used with Venomous Void to blend it out. You're just going to want to keep going back and forth with the Venomous Void and the Dragonfly until you get a blend that you're satisfied with. Now I'm going to take a tissue with some makeup remover to take out all of the sparkles that dragonfly left behind, rather. And we're done. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I finished it off with Dragonfly under my lash line, and then I blended that out with a little bit more of the Venomous Void just to attach it to the outer part of here and to finish up the look. And then I, you know, lined it with a little bit of black, popped some lashes on and some mascara, and we are good to go, okay? I feel like the past few palettes that I've reviewed, I really like them, but I really do like this. I think if you haven't gotten any Pat McGrath palettes before, that this would be a good one for you to get because it's less expensive, and also you get so many of her buttery, wonderful shimmers. And Pat McGrath shimmers are just chef's kiss. They're just amazing. So I think that that is a good buy. So if you do have these $78 to spare, I feel like you should go out and get this. I think that it would be a really nice not stocking stuffer. This is a gift for somebody for Christmas. So this would be a really nice gift if you know that you or a loved one loves makeup. I think this is going to be a really nice addition to your holiday gift spending guide or whatever. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.